Hi Aries, so let's do your quick energy check. Gamit natin si The Enchanted Map Oracle card. So, kung bago ka, subscribe, like, and share. So, this is for the Sun. May placement ka ng Sun, Moon, at Sun, Moon, at Rising na Aries. So, let's see yung card mo. So, for your energy check, meron tayo dito Number 43, details. Saan ba yung nalagyan natin? So, ito yung pinapaalala sa'yo ng card that this is a moment actually na huwag kang masyadong kampante or masyadong hyper-focus, huwag kang masyadong, yung may tawag doon yung micromanaging. Kasi it depletes the purpose Masyadong dapat ganito, ganyan. Yung tipong may mga dapat kang ibang inaasikaso na bigger things, pero andoon na masyado ka nag-focus dun sa small things. Dude, you need to rearrange yung priorities mo kung saan ka naka-focus. The card is actually also saying na bakit hindi ka mag-train ng ibang tao para tulungan ka doon sa mga ibang tasks mo, doon sa ibang mga responsibilities mo? Kailangan mag-grab ka ng bigger responsibilities. Give it to other people, yung mga maliliit na yun. Kumbaga, it's a win-win situation It's a win-win situation na nagkakaroon ka ng free time para magkaroon ka ng moment to focus on other things. While natututo sila ng mga bagong mga responsibilities, nasa-sharpen nila yung mga skills nila, nadadagdagan yung knowledge nila and experience. Time to be the leader that you are. So I hope nakatulong yung reading. Those are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And subscribe, like, and share to access our future videos. I'll see you soon here at Baguio. Bye!